In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a voting poll on Google Forms. The first step is to open the Google Forms and then click on blank form. Click on it and then here you will see this blank page right here. It will ask you to put your question on the first line here. So let's just put your question. I will put like, what is your what is your most favorite season? Just put on this question and then I will click on this option, winter. Just click on summer, click on enter, and spring and autumn. Now you just have to click on send button and then you you can share the form via email or with link and whatever. So that's how you create a form on Google Docs. Thanks for watching the video. Leave a like and comment and subscribe to the channel.